Welcome to watch today's fresh home. The Japanese-style loft of a great Australian actress in Sydney. In Sydney's trendiest neighbourhood, Oliver Du Puy has converted the upper floor of a post-industrial building into a soothing interior, bathed in the Australian sun. The work began by removing the many partitions that enclosed the apartment. "So we tried to demolish everything we could," explains Oliver Du Puy, who stripped the ceilings, beams, and columns to reveal the original raw concrete. The steel windows and the century-old Jarrah wood flooring, a very rare Australian species with red tones, were preserved to give the loft its old-fashioned character.